Hi guys, it's me Michaela, and today on my YouTube channel we're going to be playing with my Frosty Snowman slime. Well, I've got my new cousin here in the video, and he's going to be in most of my videos. And some I might not have him, but this is what our Frosty Snow slime will look like. It has so many glitter glues. I found it in a slime kit. Well, I just added in shaving foam just to make it fluffy and white. So yeah, we can do all sorts of tricks at it. So show them what we'll find mine twisted. So we can do twisted. I like mine very stretchy. This guys. And guys, it is almost Christmas. Who's excited? Me. Comment down below what different videos you'd like us to do as well. And subscribe. Hit the link button, please, guys. And we will really appreciate it. And get to subscribe that button and ring the bell. And if we get 1 million subscribers and 100 views, we will have a special video uploaded for you guys. And we might have Elena, his older sister, my sister. So then she might be here. So she's just with her mom. My auntie, just looking for her jeans and getting a wash or fixing it. Alright, so now she's slime. He's getting it washed. It's so nice, the slime. Look guys, I'm gonna twirl it up. Put it closer. I'm twirling it. Cool.
The last time I was 2015.
And in one of my videos, it will be on a different phone, but on the same channel. I mean, the same description.
That feels so cool.
Well, it won't be on the same channel because I'm using different phones. This is just my grandma's. And yeah, so I'll be doing some how to make slime. Maybe I might
We should put some music on.
But yeah, so and then we can also do a try not to sing challenge.
All coffee shops and the restaurants that are full during the night.
Oh man, I'm gonna make a big bubble.
Yeah, I'm gonna make one as well. So we have to go like that.
Everyone complaining about it.
It feels so good when you do that.
Yeah, and she even made a bow.
If you don't book earlier, you can't see it.
Okay.
You have to book earlier during the day. You have to book earlier. You to see it.
Look how big that is. Wasn't that
Otherwise, you can't see it.
I popped it.
Only want money.
Alright guys, well thanks for watching this today, and hope you enjoyed it. We will be making another video. Try not to sing challenge today, but a bit later on. See you guys, bye.
All people there.